What's up, first grade? Mr. Hunter here. I'm here with your first grade phonics and language lesson. Yesterday we did a language lesson about declarative sentences, and that was a worksheet that we're going to be doing on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Today, since we're nearing the end of school, we're almost finished with our other packet. On page 45 and 46 is what we're going to be working on today. So that's a totally different packet, the ones that we've been doing last week. If you have page 45, get it out, and 46, I'm going to go over it with you. I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see what it is that we are working on exactly. All right, so hopefully you guys see this right here, okay? So this is your worksheet. This is what we're going to be starting on. Page 45, it's talking about the letter formation of the letter X. It says slant down and slant across. Now, you guys may wonder, Mr. Hunter, we know how to do this. Again, this is not saying that you don't know how to do this or you haven't been taught, but we are trying to work on our penmanship and get it to a place where we can write full, complete sentences, and not just one sentence, not just two sentences, not just three sentences, but maybe a paragraph as we go into second grade. So even though you're doing this, I want you guys to continue to work on this even now and over the summer. So this is something that you can work on. All right, so letter X, you see, slant down to the right, slant down to the left, or do either way, but you just have to make the X. You're going to go all the way across. Then look at the pictures. It says color the pictures that start with X. So look at the pictures that start with X. All right, some of them might not be as obvious, like this one right here. This is what we call a xylophone. A xylophone. You guys may have played this before, but it starts with the letter X. So I'll give you that right there, but xylophone. Now, going down to the other pictures, you have the word axe. You have the word box, you have the word fox, and you have the word oxen. Oxen. You're going to write the word, trace the word first, then you're going to write it again, and write it again, and then you're going to write it on your own without these little dots that help out. Guys, we've been doing very well, but I want you to make sure that you're writing neatly and not having your letters so big that you can't write, because when you're writing on regular notebook paper, I don't want you using a full first page just to write two sentences or saying I ran out of room. You have to learn how to write a little bit smaller, a little bit neater, but we want to make sure we can still read what you're writing. So you guys are doing great. Keep up the good work. Axe, box, fox, oxen. And then at the end, you trace the sentence, the wax melted, and then you're going to write that sentence again without any help. And you see how they have some room at the end of their sentence right there? There's some room here, right? You need some room down here as well, okay? Now, let's look at 46, because 46 is going to be interesting. It's a lot of work here. It's a lot of words. What are we doing? Well, let's look at this. It says carrots are orange. So we have foods. We have a food chart here. Apple, banana, bean, bread, carrot, cheese, cone, grape, jelly, juice, milk, orange, pea, pear, and pizza. All of these are in alphabetical order. I don't know if you guys already noticed that. And then we have these crowns here. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, and white. Color these foods. Carrots are orange, so that's a carrot, and you have to write the sentence. Carrots are orange. Now, what's this right here? That's an apple. So you write apple, and you say apples are what? What colors are apples? They're red, so you would color it red, or you would just write red. All right. Now, what's this right here? If you don't know, look up at the box. What does it say? Oh, this is a pea. All right. So peas are what? Peas are what? What color are peas? You guys know, and you're going to write and you're going to color them or spell the words there. They're there for you there. And then you can color them after the fact, but just focus on writing the sentences now, okay? This is your assignment for today. Page 45, working on the letter X, and then working on 46. We're going to write the sentences based on what we see in the picture. So again, you have all of these down here. You have an apple, you have peas. You got to figure out what these are here, looking at the pictures. Here's another thing, guys. All of these right here will not be used. At the very end, my favorite food. You know what you're supposed to do there, right? You're going to draw your own picture of your favorite food item, and then you're going to write your sentence. Your sentence. So whatever you write there, you have to say, a blank is this. I would put strawberry. Strawberries are red, because I love strawberries, okay? So that's what you're going to do for this worksheet. Guys, I really think this is something that you're going to like, and you've been doing well with it all along, so I don't think there'll be any different today. But that's your assignment for your language and phonics worksheet for today. And then tomorrow, we're going to jump back into some more declarative sentences, all right? Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and we have some more coming up for you on Wednesday. I'll see you then.